Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we're going to learn step-by-step how to fix the issue of photos not showing on TikTok. If you're experiencing this problem, don't worry, it's an easy fix. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Step 1, open the Settings app on your device. Step 2, scroll down and tap on Apps. Alternatively, you can use the search bar at the top and type in TikTok to locate the application quickly. Step 3, once you find TikTok, tap on it to open its app settings. Step 4, look for the option labeled Photos and Videos and tap on it. Step 5, now you'll see 3 options: Don't Allow, Limited Access, and Full Access. Step 6, if the option is currently set to Don't Allow, that's the reason your photos aren't visible on TikTok. Change it to either Limited Access if you want to select specific photos, or Full Access to allow TikTok to access all your photos and videos. Step 7, finally, exit the settings, reopen TikTok, and check if your photos are now showing. And that's it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.